Welcome to Why Not for North YouTube channel. Are you curious if AI will replace humans? In today's video, we'll explore AI's current abilities, limitations, and its impact on jobs. Stay tuned to uncover the truth. AI is advancing rapidly, but will it really replace humans? Let's explore the facts. AI excels in specific tasks but lacks general intelligence. AI struggles with tasks requiring human emotions and complex decision-making. AI automates routine tasks, but new jobs and roles are emerging. Creativity, empathy, and complex problem-solving are uniquely human. AI will enhance human work but not fully replace it. AI is transforming many aspects of our lives, but isn't set to replace humans entirely. Stay informed and adapt to the changes. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Share your thoughts on AI's future in the comments. See you next time.